So, got the mate's BF XT here. 6-speed ZF option, which is pretty cool for an XT. He's having his ETC fault popping up when he gives it a big boot. We're just pulling up at the lights there before and it actually came on and stayed on. It sounded like it was cammed. And he put the car into drive and I think he got like 10 k's an hour with his foot flat on the pedal. It was pretty bad. I reckon we swap that TPS sensor over then, bro, first.
Swap the sensors, see if that works.
And if not, then we'll clean up the throttle body and put it all back together and hopefully that fixes it. Right, we're off in me daily beast. So we should have a space sensor just sitting. Right, so pretty good news here. A brand new one. So this throttle position sensor here, I mean, I don't know if it's going to work. There's a few other things I'd like to try, but you know, this is a free part, so may as well troubleshoot it first. Righto, so we got here a bit later than we thought we would, mate, but quickly just whacked this guy off the throttle body, just took the intake pipe off. Hopefully it's just as simple as swapping these over and going for a run. So when are you going to get a new bottle, mate? When it's fucked. When it's fucked, cunt. You got a fresh cap on it, but you got a mint cap on it. Yeah, we found the tool of Todd Peterson. We're going. How do you feel, Todd?
I don't know.
Watch out for my fell. Big there, man.
And then look up in your panel.
I'm a big stepper. Doing anything weird?
Doesn't feel like it.
But FG. Oh, he's chucked it in that sports mode. Nice.
That went up to 90.
Yeah, boy. Well, hopefully that's all you need, bro.
Actually, I can turn you. So that's just the throttle body.
Yeah, the fucking position sensor.
The sensor it was.
Yeah, when you were getting on it, it was just restricting it because the sensor wasn't probably opening wide throttle when you wanted it to.
Yeah.
And that's what was showing something up, I'd say.
The motherfucker didn't indicate the last second.
Yep. Classic, mate.
Fucking throttle body.